How to use my favorite indicator for spotting trades. There's hundreds of indicators, but we're going to focus on the one I use the most. The relative strength index can be a great tool to use to spot momentum, but 99% of people use it wrong. In today's market, you can't care about overbought and you can't care about oversold. Instead, you need to break up the RSI into 6 different zones, and we're going to walk you through step by step how to do this. First step, pull up the RSI and we're going to change the length to 21. Then set the upper band for 65 and the bottom band for 50. Now that you have your RSI indicator set up, we're going to put a line at 70. Above 65 but below 70 is going to be zone 2, which is our bullish breakout zone. Let's put another line at 56. So above 56 but below 65 is going to be our bullish zone, and this is what I use all the time. Zone 4 is going to be between 50 and 56. This is our limbo but bullish support stage. If the RSI drops here but holds, you know we're bullish. Zone 5 is going to be below 50 but above 45. That is our bearish breakout. And below 45 is our zone 6, which is oversold. When you're all set up, you should have a line at 70, 65, 56, 50, and 45. I know all the zones sound confusing, but I'm going to show you how to use them right now. When the RSI drops to 50 and holds, you know we are bullish. You can see here when we hit 50, here when we hit 50, and the stock continued to rise both times. You can also use the bullish breakout zone at 56 to spot big plays before they happen. You can see here we crossed and started this run. Here we crossed, started this big run, and here we crossed, started this big run. If you simply use the RSI as zones instead of just overbought and oversold, you'll know exactly where to buy and exactly where to sell. For more information about indicators, charts, and everything stocks, join our Discord.